Okay, so hey everyone and welcome back to my video series. This is Shraddha and you're watching Unique Chat BBR. Okay, so as today is another BBR Sunday, and so I brought for all of you a very interesting topic and of course a video which has my best book reviews, BBRs. But first of all, I would really love to ask you all that a previous video was about the Diwali vlog 2020, and did you all loved it? And if you all now quickly drop comments in the comment section telling me that did you loved it, and are you wanting more best topics, best vlog like that, and do drop comments because I'm very much curious to know which topics you all are wanting from Unique Chat BBR. And also, how did you celebrated your Diwali and how was it? Because I know that my Diwali was of course awesome, and I hope that yours all was also awesome and great. Okay, so now let's move to our BBR my review. Okay, so today I have brought for all of you two best book reviews in just one video, because both of those books are just joining. They are having the main characters and their writer is the same. And the book about which I'm talking about are of course in Marathi, and so our best book review is also going to be in Marathi and English both combined. So the first book about which I'm talking about is Anandachi Bagh, and the second book is Ekda Kai Jhalo. And both of these books are written by the famous writer Shri Eknath Auvhad sir. And so why are we waiting for? Let's get started, because this book review is going to be so much interesting and full of information. And so let's start. 8 BBR is our wish, so let's start the video in a swish. Okay, and so the content of today's video is first BBR my review, then the hashtag BBR experience, and then a big flash into the best experiences you shared with me. So stay tuned till the end of the video, because the video is going to be so much full of interesting stories and best information. So let's begin. So the first here comes is BBR my review. Okay, so first we are going to seek some information about the writer of this book, the famous writer of this book. It is Shri Eknath
Auvhad सर. आव्हाड सर हे मुंबई महानगरपालिकेच्या शाळेत शिक्षक म्हणून गेली 23 वर्षे कार्यरत आहेत. आव्हाड सरांची बालकथांची 6 पुस्तके प्रसिद्ध आहेत. यांना मुंबई महानगरपालिकेचा आदर्श शिक्षक महापौर पुरस्कार सुद्धा प्राप्त आहे. आव्हाड सरांचे कथाकथनाचे 500 जाहीर कार्यक्रम यशस्वीपणे पूर्ण आहेत. आव्हाड सर हे बालभारती पाठ्यपुस्तक मंडळाची इयत्ता 1 ते 8वीची पाठ्यपुस्तके तयार करण्यासाठीच्या संपादक मंडळावर सदस्य म्हणून कार्यरत आहेत. आणि मला हेही सांगायचे आहे
And thanks a lot sir for giving me both of these books and for encouraging me to read all of those books and to make the best book reviews of both of these books. Okay, and so now let's start with the main best book review. Okay, so the first book which I have for all of you is Anandachi Bagh. आनंदाची बाग व एकदा काय झालं या दोन्ही पुस्तकांमध्ये 4 मेन कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत. तेच म्हणजे बाळू, शमी, आई आणि बाबा. आनंदाची बाग या पुस्तकामध्ये 21 छोट्या छोट्या गमतीदार अशा गोष्टी आहेत. त्या गोष्टींच्या माध्यमातून लेखक आपल्याला खूप काही महत्त्वाचे पॉइंट सांगतात, जसे फळांचे महत्त्व, हळदीचे महत्त्व, कम्प्युटर आपण कशा नवीन प्रकाराने यूज करू शकतो हेही या पुस्तकात आहे. खूप साऱ्या पक्ष्यांबद्दल माहिती, प्राण्यांबद्दल माहिती व आपण प्राण्यांची केअर घ्यायला पाहिजे हेही या पुस्तकात खूप सुंदर गोष्टींच्या माध्यमातून आपल्यापर्यंत पोहोचवले आहे. अशा खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी आहेत या पुस्तकात. हे पुस्तक असं नाही आहे की आपण त्याला एकदा वाचलं And as you can see, both of these books are not like that books that once we just read them, their work is over. But no, both of these books are very much useful, because whenever we are just seeking some information, what we need to do is just start by reading these books, because these books are having about 21 different types of mini stories, and these stories are having best information which we are needing in our daily lives. And so whenever you are seeking any information, no need for you to go on any website. Just start reading this book. And this book is having a different type of language, very simple language, easy to understand. And I love the most important part of this book, that whenever we are just seeing that this is the information, like if there is the onion's importance, then they don't just say that onion is this much great. No, they say that Baru and Shami are the two main characters. So the character, the onion, is having a conversation with Baru and Shami, and he is telling his importance to them. And so this book is having so much interesting things that even if the information is so much beautiful, we don't get bored. We start getting, yes, I need to know more. Yes, I need to know more. And I guarantee all of you that once you started reading both of these books, you're really not gonna let them be afterward. Like, you're not gonna just make them half. You're gonna make them fully read it. So once your eyes get attracted to these book lines, these book stories, you're going to complete the whole stories and feel satisfied by reading these books. हे पुस्तक वाचताना आपण शमी आणि बाळूच्या त्या आनंदाच्या बागेत शिरतो व खूप साऱ्या गमतीदार गोष्टी ऐकतो. आणि या पुस्तकात एक शमी आणि बाळूच्या त्या 21 गोष्टी फुललेल्या आहेत. या 21 फुलांचा सुवास तुम्ही देखील घेऊन पहा आणि या पुस्तकाला नक्की वाचा, कारण की हे पुस्तक खूप जास्त इन्फॉर्मेटिव्ह आहे. आणि जसं मी तुम्हा सर्वांना सांगितलेलंच आहे की याच्यात जे इम्पॉर्टन्स आहे त्या व्हेजिटेबल्सबद्दल, एव्हरीडे थिंग्सबद्दल, जे आपल्याला आपल्या डेली लाईफमध्ये माहिती असणं खूपच जास्त गरजेचे आहे. चला तर मग हा होता आपला फर्स्ट बुकचा मिनी रिव्ह्यू. नाव लेट्स मूव्ह टू द सेकंड बुक. अँड द सेकंड बेस्ट बुक रिव्ह्यू और आवर बेस्ट बुक इज एकदा काय झालं. जसे मी तुम्हा सर्वांना आधीच सांगितलेले आहे की या दोन्ही पुस्तकांमध्ये 4 मेन कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत. ते म्हणजेच बाळू, शमी, आई आणि बाबा. एकदा काय झालं या पुस्तकात देखील 21 छोट्या छोट्या गमतीदार अशा गोष्टी आहेत. आता तुम्ही एकदा काय झालं व आनंदाची बाग या दोन्ही पुस्तकांमध्ये काही सिमिलॅरिटीज नोटीस केल्या असतील. ते म्हणजे की यांच्यामध्ये मेन कॅरेक्टर्स सेम आहेत व टाइप ऑफ स्टोरीज सेम आहेत. Like number of stories are 21 and all of these format of stories are same, and so we chose both of these books for our best book reviews. आणि या पुस्तकामध्ये देखील खूप सारे इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट्स आहेत, लाईक फळांचे महत्त्व व कलिंगडाचे महत्त्व, मग दुसऱ्यांना हेल्प करायला पाहिजे आपण, सेव्ह वॉटर, पर्यावरणाविषयी खूप सारे इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग्स लाईक सेव्ह plants. Like all of these nature things which we are needing in our daily lives are all stored in these books. Now, as you can see, every time when we see big, thick, informative, wordy books, we just say, oh my god, we just say SMH, what is this going on? But this book is really very much different and interesting. This is having information. This is an informative book, but it is written in such a creative way that we can't let this book distract our eyes. We always get attracted and start seeking information because this book is having a speciality. It is giving information but in story time or in story type. Like the children, there is a simple conversation with the children with those vegetables and all, and at the time we get the importance of those things like of vegetables, onion, cucumber, etc., and then it gets stored in our mind because reading really boosts our brain power and memory, and so we always read books, and this book has really a creative hand of the writer. आणि या पुस्तकामध्ये खूप मस्त क्रिएटिव्हली लिहिलेले आहे ते गोष्टी. आणि याच्यात अजून एक स्पेशालिटी आहे जे मला खूप जास्त आवडले, ते म्हणजे या पुस्तकामध्ये रिडल्स, छोट्या छोट्या मिनी कविता आणि अशा खूप सारे राईम्स आहेत. या बुकमध्ये थीमच आहे रिडल्स. फर्स्ट लेसनच आहे रिडल्सवरती. आणि गंमत म्हणजे त्या रिडल्सचे आन्सर्स त्या स्टोरीजमध्ये कुठेतरी लपलेले असतात. आणि तुम्ही देखील ही बुक वाचा व ते रिडल्सचे आन्सर शोधून काढा. आणि या बुकमध्ये खूप सारे डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोरीजमध्ये कविता आहेत, मिनी कविता, जे आपल्याला नेहमी म्हणतात ये दिस इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग, वाव. आणि खूप सारे मस्त राईम्स. सो रीडिंग करायला सुद्धा ते खूप मस्त वाटतं. आणि आपण वाव किती मस्त आहे ही स्टोरी असं करून ती इन्फॉर्मेशन सुद्धा घेतो व नाईस स्टोरीज सुद्धा रीड करतो. आणि या बुकमध्ये लेखकाने सुद्धा खूप मस्तपणे जे इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टोअर केलेली आहे. सो प्लीज तुम्ही हे दोन्ही बुक्स रीड करा. या पुस्तकातून आपण थेट गोष्टींच्या राज्यात शिरतो व गोष्टींच्या फराळाचा आस्वाद घेऊन येतो. म्हणून तुम्ही देखील या गोष्टींच्या फराळाचा आस्वाद घेऊन या आणि हे दोन्ही बुक्स खरंच रीड करा. Okay, and so this was my best book review for the two best books, and I do hope that you love it, and I'm for sure that you all are going to read these books, because these books are the must read books for each and every children who are watching my channel right now, or who must read these books for building the reading skills and for seeking the information. Again, so this was my mini review, and so now let's move to the hashtag BBR experience. It is that you can share your experience about how you felt or what you learned after reading a lot of Marathi books, or maybe any books which really you love the most. And what you need to do is, in the comment section, write the title hashtag BBR experience and just drop your comments in the comment section telling how was your experience about it. And your best experiences will be highlighted in my next video, as I'm going to highlight it in my today's video also. And the best experiences will be selected for my videos and will be given a title with hashtag FlashMeOnes. Okay, and so now let's move to the hashtag FlashMeOnes. And a big flash me to the best experiences you shared with me. Okay, and so these were the best experiences which I had got from all of you, and I do hope that you loved your hashtag FlashMeOnes, and I'm looking forward for all of your best experiences and of course your Diwali comments in the comment section right below this video, because I'm very much curious to know all of your experiences and comments. And so that was all from me for all of you today. And I hope you loved the video, and I hope you loved this special BBR concept. And meanwhile, a new video with a new special BBR concept is waiting for all of you on next Sunday at sharp 5 p.m. So stay tuned till that time, and I do hope that you love my video. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press that bell icon, just right next to the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and don't forget to share. And in the meanwhile, I'm having my one more video release right now. It's a very mini video about the book giveaway contest which I had made for all of you. And yeah, there is the winner in that video, and I'm happy to see you all at that video. So please go and watch it. And so that was all from me. Until that time, unique greetings.